Hey everyone, this is Noshin Islam. Today I'm here with a Java program that will help us to import our CSV, an Excel CSV file through creating an array. We will get all the data in the CSV file, and also we can search from it through different parameters. Suppose we're given a CSV file such as suppose this is our given Excel CSV file, which we can see has different total of 8 different columns, different parameters, right? So we can search any of the parameters as our search variable. Okay. So in our Java program, we can see that first of all the necessary library functions have been imported. Scanner to take input, buffered reader is actually a very special kind of library function which enables us to read text from a character input stream. It helps us to buffer characters as to provide an efficient reading of characters, right? File reader to read file, and IO exception for exception handling. So in a class called read CSV file, we have our main program, and we will be taking our input through, we have initialized parameter as our scanner variable, to string variable str1, str2, timestamp, and city. Because I've already told you that any variable you can choose to search from the CSV file after you imported it through this array in the Java program, right? I have chosen timestamp and city as our search variables. So in this line, either timestamp or city, the line says that either timestamp or city, you can choose between these two as your search variable. So in this line, you will actually write timestamp or city, and this C variable will store it. So two string variables, time and city, right? Whichever we choose as our search variable, if we choose timestamp, we will be asked to give a specific time. If we choose city, we will be asked to give a specific city. So in this if function, if the equals is actually used to, we know that string comparison, for string comparison in Java, equals is used. So if we give time as timestamp as our variable, search variable, so we can see that it is being compared with str1 timestamp. So it is, if we choose timestamp, then it becomes true, and this will be asking you to give a specific time, which will be saved in the time variable, right? So otherwise, the city, you will be asked to give the city. So in this line, you can see that the CSV file path, which the computer has the file in which directory, the CSV file string variable will say that. The line will be used to collect all the data, will be used to store all the lines, all the rows from the Excel file. This comma is, we will be reading from the text file through by a comma separator, right? In the line just below, we can see that we have initialized a country array. So in the country array, we will be storing all the different columns values through a comma separator, right? So we have declared an array. So in this line, we are trying to use the buffer reader to help us open the file and read efficiently from it. So these two function will be used one or the other. str1, what it was timestamp, right? So if we choose timestamp as our search variable, this will be executed. If city, this will be executed. Timestamp, for timestamp, this while loop will be executing these lines as long as there are no lines left in the Excel sheet, right? So the split method is a standard method in Java to parse the CSV file in the program. So we will use this method, and we will use comma as our splitter. So if country 0 means the shell number. If in line, suppose in line 30, the first shell, the first column, right, the timestamp, the time is equal to the time, if the value that you have given as time is equal to that shell value, then the whole row will be printed, all the informations. Same for this one, but country 1 you can see, because we have seen the timestamp and city are side by side in the Excel sheet. So city, if the city is equal to the given city you have given as input, then all the information will be printed. Okay, so now we'll try to run the program. So you either have to give timestamp or city as your search variable. I put, suppose, city, right? So now we have to say which city, or suppose Geneva, right? Okay, see, we have all the information needed in the city Geneva, right? All the information that are recorded in the Excel file has been printed. Okay, thank you. This is a very pretty, straightforward program. It doesn't have different classes. It is easy if you understand it. Thank you.